Today
Previously
we have
on
a
Madeline's
clothing try-on
Avenue.
haul from the brand Amy Shihab. I really love, vintage clothing items, the shoes, everything. And that brand usually just gives me that type of vibe. Like I feel like it's something that I can just put on, go to dinner, like a really, really nice, fancy dinner. It's just something that you should have because you can style it with anything. Like you can style it with proper denim skirts, you can style it with, a white tennis skirts. Like the versatility to this is like crazy. I really, really like this dress. I love what was done with the flowers at the bottom. It's called the Dead Flame dress. And hey guys, and welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. So today we are going to be styling my items from my Amy Shihab try-on haul that I posted 2 weeks ago. So if you're here from there, then you're very, very welcome. But if this is just your first time here, I would suggest you go watch that video before you watch this. Actually, you can watch this one and then go back and watch it. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first item I'm styling is this denim set halter top. I actually styled it in 2 different ways. So the first way I styled it is with skirts that I got from Fashion Nova, a denim skirt I got from Fashion Nova. I also used my blue Nike sneakers. I don't remember exactly what the title of the sneakers are, but like they are Jordans. And I used my blue Telfar bag and these nice blue giant vintage glasses. So essentially it was just like a whole blue look. I don't know, I would just classify it as just like a nice sporty look. So like if I'm going, to play games with friends, like maybe we're going to like a game course or something, like that is what I would definitely wear for such an event. And the other way I styled it, I feel like this is something I'll probably wear to go to Shrine. So I still use the denim skirts from Fashion Nova, but I switched up my shoes. So instead of using my Jordans, I switched it out for these brown mules that I got from Fashion Nova. My bag also changed from the Telfar to a brown bag that I got from Misguided. And then my glasses, these are actually Jaded London glasses. So they have blue tints and caramel/brown frame, and I just think, yeah, that's just something that I'll probably just wear to like Shrine, just something very nice and cute for an event that's not so serious, but like, you still want to look cute, I'm not sure which one I would say is my fave. Honestly, I'll probably say it's the one with the sneakers because that's just kind of like my vibe, but the brown mules with the glasses and the brown bag, like they also, like it's also my vibe too. I don't know, which one would you guys rather wear? Okay, so the next items I'm actually styling the noir top with the mesh skirts together, and it's just because honestly I could style them separately, and I'll try and do that next time, but I just feel like it's better styled together. I don't know, but I just always had like this vision of an outfit in mind with just the top and the skirt together, so that's why I just ran with it. So I used my black heels from Steve Madden, the closed-toed ones that I wore for my graduation, and I used actually the same bag I wore for my graduation. It's this clutch type of purse from Pretty Purses, and I use glasses, which is like, it's very, very different for me, like to use glasses with like, a skirt with a top, like a long skirt with like a long sleeve top. Like it's just very different, but it's also like my style. Like I really, really liked how it came out, and all my jewelry was just like silver, so I just wanted to keep it black and silver, just very nice and clean. And yeah, I really, really like how that looked. And then if you see how it looks, like you can tell, like that's very similar to what I wore for my birthday video shoots. The only difference is just the glasses, honestly. That was the only difference. And the glasses are from Giant Vintage. Okay, so the next item I'm styling are these pants that I literally had no idea of how I would style them in the first place. Like, when I got them and I tried them on for the first time, I was like, girl, what have you done? Like, you've literally bought something that you're not going to be able to style. And I was just like, oh my gosh, it was literally today that I just like put something together, and it was just so random. Like I just went in my closet like, okay, just pick something. And I saw this top and I was like, yeah, it's actually the top I'm wearing right now. But yeah, I styled it in 2 different ways, and I think you'll be able to tell which one is my favorite. So the first way I styled it is with this orange bralette type of top from Studio Bonita, and I wore these caramel heels from Shein, and my bag was from PLT. It's this really cute pink bag, very, very small. And yeah, jewelry, just like gold earrings, gold necklace, gold type of jewelry, nothing too serious. And the other way I styled it is with this halter top that I got from Constructed for Women. The shoes were the same. The bag was like a brown bag, and so instead of doing pink, I just did a brown bag that I got from Misguide. Actually, I got it from ASOS. And then jewelry essentially stayed the same, I think. Yeah, I think jewelry stayed the same. And then I just took off the necklace. Nothing too serious, just like my vibe. And then this time I added glasses. So I got these glasses from Giant Vintage, and I think it's very clear that this one is my favorite. Like, I really like how this look came out. Like, it was just very nice and sexy. Like, the top was very bold, but literally it still complemented the pants. Like, they're not fighting with each other, you know, for which one is like the main. Like, they are both mains and they both work together, and I really like that. But let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the brown top or the... The next item that I styled is the Denim Cirque mini skirt, and I styled this in 2 ways as well. I don't know, I was just unsure, but I think you tell which one's my favorite. Yeah. So the first way I started is with this wrap top that I got from Seta the Label, and I started with these white nails that I got from Shein and a white bag from Misguided. Jewelry, just nice silver jewelry, nothing too serious, just a very nice cute look. And I love the way the top really just cinches my waist. Like, I really like that. I was gonna add glasses, but I was like, probably not. And yeah, the second way I styled it is with this bandeau asymmetrical, like, you know, it's, yeah, top from Urban Outfitters, and it was a really nice like pale type of blue, so I thought it would really match the skirt. And then I also wore the same mules from Shein, and I think I wore the same bag, same white bag, and then I added glasses from, guess, Giant Vintage, obviously. And I really like these glasses because the earrings I used were also like transparent. So they're earrings that are from Y2K. I don't know if you guys have heard of the brand. It's an amazing Nigerian brand that you guys need to check out. And I also did a haul about them like a couple years back, so you can go and watch that as well. The next item I styled is this beautiful dress. Beautiful. And I loved the way I styled this dress. This is the way I styled this dress is an exact representation of me and the way I love to dress and the type of music I listen to and everything. I don't know if you guys have seen the Madeline's Minutes video I did with this dress. That video should literally tell you all you need to know about me, like when it comes to fashion, when it comes to music, everything. Like, that is just me, like me. Yeah. But yeah, I started with these gold and black mules that I got from Shein, and I used this bag that I got from PLT. It's a really nice cute pearl bag that has like some gold accents on it. And for my jewelry, I got this necklace from Misguided, and I got earrings, these beautiful earrings from Maison Elaife. Like, you guys see those earrings? Amazing. And then I got rings from Ease Element. I didn't really want to do too much with my jewelry because, like, you know, the dress, like the sleeves were already covering the, like, my whole hands. Like, you know, I just couldn't do bracelets or anything so serious. But yeah, rings from Ease Elements, necklace from Misguided, earrings from Maison Elaife. Just that, like, a really nice red lip to go with it too. Like, you guys also see the pictures, like, yeah. So the last item that we're styling is this flame dress. I love this dress so much, guys, and I love how like it looks, like that shiny look that it gives. I love it so much. So yeah, I start this with heels that I have from Steve Madden. I and Steve Madden need to have a conversation because those heels are so uncomfortable. Like anyways, I started them with heels from Steve Madden. My bag is from PLT. The earrings, beautiful earrings, like those are from BP Jewelry, an amazing jewelry brand. And then I just did like some nice rings, also from BP Jewelry and by Lolita Jewelry as well. And yeah, it's just a nice, you know, I felt like the dress was a lot that I didn't need to do too much with anything else. So yeah, I just kept it like very, very nice. So we finally come to the end of the styling video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed all the way to this point, I really, really appreciate you, and stay tuned for more styling videos. Turn on post notifications, make sure you're subscribed. I have more hauls coming for you and more styling videos coming for you as well. And if you need any styling assistance, please reach out to me on my styling page at mbu.styles on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.